Standing still may look simple from the outside, but anyone who has practiced Zhan Zhuang, often translated as standing like a tree, knows it can become one of the most intense internal experiences in meditation and martial arts. Rooted in traditional Chinese internal systems such as Tai Chi and Yiquan, Zhan Zhuang is a foundational practice that involves holding structured standing postures for extended periods while maintaining relaxed awareness and steady breathing. At first, the practice feels deceptively easy. You stand with your knees slightly bent, spine lengthened, and arms rounded as if embracing a large tree. Within a few minutes, your shoulders may begin to ache, your legs tremble, and your mind searches for reasons to stop. The discomfort can feel surprisingly intense for something that appears so still. Yet if you continue practicing every day, the body begins to reorganize itself in subtle but powerful ways. Over time, your structure improves. Instead of relying on excess muscular tension to hold yourself upright, your bones and joints begin to stack more efficiently. Chronic tightness in the neck, hips, and lower back may gradually release. Small stabilizing muscles that are often neglected in conventional training begin to activate. Rather than building strength through visible movement, you develop strength through alignment and deep relaxation. The body starts to feel integrated, as if connected from the soles of the feet through the crown of the head in one continuous line. Daily standing also has a profound effect on the nervous system. Modern life keeps many people in a constant state of low-level stress. Zhan Zhuang requires you to remain alert yet relaxed, which gently shifts the body out of fight or flight mode. Your breathing slows naturally, your heart rate steadies. Over weeks of practice, you may notice that anxiety decreases and emotional reactions soften. Sleep can improve. There is often a growing sense of calm that extends beyond the practice session into ordinary life. At the same time, the mind goes through its own process. When you remove movement and distraction, mental restlessness becomes obvious. Thoughts may multiply. Old memories or unresolved emotions can surface. Time can feel as though it is moving painfully slowly. This phase can be uncomfortable, but it is part of the training. As you continue standing each day, the mind gradually adapts. Thoughts lose some of their urgency. You begin observing them rather than being pulled into them. Focus strengthens, not because you force it, but because you are training yourself to remain present without reacting. There is also a unique kind of strength that develops from standing meditation. Holding posture for extended periods builds endurance in the legs, back, and shoulders, but it also conditions tendons and connective tissue. Many practitioners describe feeling more stable when walking and more balanced during everyday activities. Instead of feeling top-heavy or tense, the body feels rooted and centered. This grounded stability is one reason internal martial artists have relied on the practice for generations. As sensitivity increases, you may begin to notice subtle internal sensations. Weight distribution between your feet becomes clearer. The expansion and contraction of the breath feels more vivid. There may be warmth in the palms or a gentle tingling through the limbs. Whether explained in traditional energetic language or modern physiological terms, this deepened body awareness changes how you inhabit yourself. You are no longer living primarily in your thoughts. You are anchored in physical presence. Emotional processing can also occur naturally during daily practice. Because you are holding mild physical stress without distraction, stored tension sometimes releases. Feelings that were previously buried may arise and pass. Over time, this can create greater resilience. Situations that once triggered strong reactions may feel easier to navigate. There is more space between stimulus and response. If practiced daily for months and years, the changes become deeply integrated. Posture becomes naturally upright without stiffness. Breathing remains slower even under stress. The body feels simultaneously rooted and light. Mental endurance increases. There is a quiet confidence that comes not from aggression, but from stability. Standing meditation is simple, but it is not easy. It asks you to confront discomfort, restlessness, and impatience. Yet if you commit to it every day, even for 10 or 20 minutes, it gradually reshapes your body, steadies your mind, and strengthens your nervous system. In a world defined by constant movement and stimulation, Zhan Zhuang offers something rare: transformation through stillness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.